Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something kind of cool, two different companies. It's kind of a mashup. On my right hand I have just a regular nail polish from Sparkle & Co, like an old sub bag color, and on my left hand I have my tips and my peel base. So I ordered two Nailfie sleeves from Tipsy, Dipsy, Nail Co. Yeah, Nail Co. And they are so cool. So they are knit Nailfie sleeves and they are reversible. So one side you can wear the cream color, one side you can wear gray, and then I got a separate one that has the gray and kind of like a charcoaly black color. Super cool. These are only $7, very economical. She has an Etsy shop. I will leave the link down below for you. It says, you know, hand wash only, but are they really going to get that dirty if I'm only doing nail fees and keeping them clean? Everything was so cute, right? So she's got these cute little tags, and she even threw in an adorable little dip called Black Ice. How cute is this? So please excuse my dachshund in the background. She is throwing a tantrum because I am the only one home and she can't get to me because I've closed the door. So she's barking and throwing a fit. I apologize. So anyways, that dip is gorgeous. It is this black dip with these little like silver shavings in there. It is divine. Look at it shiny. Oh, look at it matte. Are you kidding? As soon as I saw this, I said, I'm doing a sugar nail with that dip. So here comes the mashup. I'm going to use that Black Ice from Tipsy Dipsy Nail Co. and I'm going to use two colors from Bombshell Nail Co. The owner of Bombshell Nail Co. actually sent these two colors to me. They're called Oh Honey and S'mores, and they are just gorgeous. They scream fall, but I know that these will also be super good for New Year's too. So, you know, I'm always thinking ahead, using my brain so I can use my dips again. Now, something I didn't tell you is I also got a card with my Nailfie sleeves. And wouldn't you believe it, she also put the most adorable little ribbon nail stickers in there. And I totally should have used those in the mani and I forgot, but I think that is so awesome that she threw in like two extras, stickers and a dip. Like, I didn't even order those. That's awesome. So thank you to the owner of Tipsy Dipsy Nail Co. I super appreciate it. So like I mentioned, I want to do one sugar nail with that Black Ice. What's a sugar nail, you ask? Basically, you dip, you activate, and you stop. That's it. You don't top coat it in any way, and it leaves this rough, sugared surface. And the first thing you're probably thinking is, does it catch on things? Yes. Does it get a little annoying? Yes. Does it look really awesome? Also yes. So this is not something that I like to wear long term. This is kind of like a couple day thing for me, or a one day thing. But boy, does it look good. I mean, it packs a punch. So I'm gonna do one nail sugared with that, and then I'm gonna do two nails with the S'mores color and two nails with Oh Honey. And I'm gonna let you know that the S'mores, it's the darker glitter. It's like a medium chunky glitter. It's not too chunky. One dip, y'all. Full coverage. It was awesome. So that made filing, buffing, and shaping super duper easy. So yeah, I am using my Fairy Glamour dip base, and I will use my Fairy Glamour activator. And for a top coat, I will be using my Sparkle & Co 2.0. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit, and I'm gonna let you watch the dipping process. Oh my goodness, y'all, isn't that gold just scrumptious? That color is Oh Honey, and the glitter is S'mores, and then Black Ice from Tipsy Dipsy. I am going to encapsulate everything except for the sugar nail with my Shameless Nails transparent. That's a clear for them, and it's super duper clear. I've never had any issues with it, and I use it on a lot of things. So yeah, I'm gonna encapsulate all of those nails because I want to make sure that I don't burnish the glitter, meaning take off any of the color of the glitters. I want to be really careful because my nails are already kind of thin, and yeah, so I want to be careful. Anyways, so I do one dip of clear, and then I brush off really good to get any of the granules off, because you don't want, if you leave too much of the clear behind before you activate, you run the risk of having it look grainy. I'm not too worried about that because I know I will be filing and buffing, and I mean, realistically, it's not going to go that deep. And I've never had any trouble with Shameless Nails. But good rule of thumb is make sure you use a good brush, whether it's a stiff brush, toothbrush, or a compact makeup brush, and get it all cleaned off. So once I get all the clear on there, I will activate and then file and buff off camera. I will see you back and chat with you when I have already filed and buffed. Here we are, filed and buffed. Looking a little rough here, you know, the cuticles need some love, but we need to activate again before we do our top coat. Otherwise the top coat won't solidify. It won't cure completely. So that's what I'm doing here, and just for good measure, I am putting another dose of activator on the sugar nail. So I do some editing and cutting out some time lapses so we're not just sitting here staring at my hand doing nothing. But keep in mind that after you put your activator on, I tend to wait about 60 to 90 seconds before I go in with the top coat. And often I will take a lint-free wipe and wipe off my nails to make sure there's no activator residue left over. I don't always do it, but these are some things that I do behind the scenes that you don't always see on camera. And I'll try to get better of leaving those little clips in, but just for time constraints, because I don't think you want to sit here watching a 40-minute long video, watching every little tiny thing that I do. So yeah, so just keep that in mind. Also, between my top coat and my cuticle oil, there is also a lapse in time there, usually about 60 seconds again, because I want to make sure that that top coat is nice and dry before I add the oil. Otherwise, I'm going to mess up the top coat. It's going to smudge and leave like a wrinkle in the top. I've done it before. I mean, I'll do it again in the future accidentally, but a good rule of thumb is if you can't smell the top coat anymore, it's dry. So now I'm going to go in with my Candy Skincare Cuticle Oil, and this is part of her new trios. This one is part of her Treats collection, and she also has a Tricks collection. That one's a little more masculine and woodsy, and this one is like sweet fall baking type scents. They're delicious. My son actually chose his cake, his 21st birthday cake, based on this scent. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Take some time, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day and that nothing but good things come your way. Love you bunches. Bye.